adjustable wrench. Barco have been leaders in this field for many, many years. I'll show you the adjustable wrench first. It's a 200mm 8-inch wrench, soft grip handle for comfort when you're in use, or if it's a very cold day, pick it out your toolbox. It's not going to stick to your hand, so that's a really nice feature as well. Hanging hook at the end, so obviously you can, if it's not in your toolbox, you can hang it in your workshop. Superbly made, as all Barco products are. Really quality bit of steel. I don't know whether you can see there as well, Liz, but there's a very, very narrow jaw on here as well. A lot of the fittings these days, especially in the plumbing and heating trade, fittings are becoming neater and neater, so you need narrow access. Barco have actually reduced the size of the jaws to compensate for this. This little wrench as well, although it's only 8-inch, has a 38mm capacity jaw opening. Graduations on there, so you know exactly where you are. Super fine adjustment to open the jaws up, right the way up. And as you can see, that packs a big punch, right up to 38mm. This is one of the leading wrenches in the marketplace today. This is a fantastic product from Barco, should be in everybody's toolkit. The fine adjustment there, no slippage. You'll find with some of the cheaper ones, the jaws will rattle and move. Once you've made that adjustment to where it is, it'll stay in place as long as you need it to while using it. So that's a super little wrench from Barco. And then we have the 10-inch 250mm capacity water pump plier. Again, bi-material handles for comfort and control. We have a push button adjustment, multi-position adjustment, so you just literally slide it to where you need it to be, locked in place. You can actually slide it up to the fitting if you need to as well, so quick action. You've got a straight and a curved jaw for making sure you can grip round and flat objects really nice and tightly. This opens up to 48mm, so obviously your plastic pipe fittings and things like that it's ideal for. Really superb bit of kit, superbly made by Barco again. This is a really top of the range quality wrench set. Probably the two most important pliers in your toolkit. The 8-inch adjustable, the 10-inch water pump, really, really clever.